Yes, most of you have been asking me what I use and how do I do it and how to do the natural tangle. Yes, I've been uploading videos on how to do this, and still I've come with this new method for you to see how to do this natural tangle, and especially to those ones with broken hairlines and still those with weak hairlines. You can see this method, and trust me, you will be able to tell and sorry, like to believe what is best for you when it comes to do this kinky. Remember one thing, that kinky is very dangerous, like when you do it unprofessional. So
Morris, the Crochet Master.
yes, I said kinky is very dangerous, mostly when you do it unprofessional, and this is what I mean. Most of you people, when it comes to this kinky, there is the way. I will need to teach you more about it, because I've been getting some clients of mine who come and be like, kinky is painful, sort of like it has broken their hairlines, like mostly in front, but I really want to prove you wrong, because this is the best hair extension that you can always use, that is going to last longer, that is soft, and even very easy to maintain. So I'm going to show you this method so that you can see how you can always protect your weak hair, mostly like even the broken hairline, so that you can achieve the good look with growing back your hair, because seriously kinky can grow back your hair. So one, this is the method that we are going to be using. It is for the mostly like those ones with weak hairline. We use the inside knotless method, and this inside knotless way is very nice, in that when you try to look at it, as you're starting, I'm just going to first make a disclaimer here. There's some people who think, when you try to look at her skin is red. It is not like it's made tightening her hair, no, but it is like for her skin. Whenever I know that those people, when even if you touch them, their skin start becoming red, as you're going to be seeing in the video. So you can see even the reddish is here, you can see it there, even before I've started plating, because I remember there's one day when I was plating her cornrows, and people were like, what, the skin is like you they were like, maybe I'm overstraining her, yet it was not. Yeah, it is just her skin is very sensitive, and that's how it always looks. So I'm just here applying them the gel. So you can use the less jam, or the that shine, and yeah, is it shine, that's shine and jam something, it is also very nice. So this time around I was using the lace jam. It is very nice. Yes, and if you still want it, I'm gonna put the link in my description so that you can go click on it and you get the gel. So as we are trying to add on, you can see how the method is doing. And if you try to look at this method, it gives you that provision of like when it is like maybe a month, or like 2 or even 3, oh sorry, like this person will be able to come and repair them. And repairing is like you can just lock it because of the way it is. So you just separate these braids into 3 portions. In fact, let me try to show you the way, the very detailed one, because now this is a nice angle. I'm just going to show you how it looks. Oh sorry, I'd forgotten even to introduce myself. My name is Morris, the Crochet Master, and yes, we always upload videos every week. At least I make sure that I upload a video for you. So there's something that I am let's try to see here. The angle of the camera is very clear here. You can see I'm going to pat it. Yes, I think here you're going to see it very clearly. So if you make your line like this, now the only thing you gotta do after you have applied your gel, yes, your gel, then you separate it into 3 portions, as you can see. So this is the kinky. You just have to bring it this way, you put it this and the other one. You see there are 3 portions. Let me try to extend it so that you can see 12. Then you put this in the middle, this one goes to this side, you put it on top like this, the other one comes, then you just continue doing it this way. Yes, another thing why I would say more about these the kinky, mostly people when they're plating it, now you can see like this size, the way it is, you find someone is going to plate it and it is making sorry, I have some flu, so that's why I'm like this. You plate it and you overpack in front. Trust me, when you overpack it in front, your hair is going to break. That's why, like, whenever we use this method, like whenever we are plating, let's just see here clearly. You see, this way, and then you add it on top. When we are plating using this method, or even the size, I always tell you that the size that you use differs the hair that you have to hold, you understand? So if someone tells you like, yes, I want in front when it is toe packed, my dear, it is a very 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 good, like maybe you change the size, you make it smaller, because now you cannot use this size in front like to overpack it, because now if you've if you're trying to overpack in front, mostly like those ones always ask for the first line, it means you're going to hold the volume of the hair, they're going to the volume of the hair that you're supposed to hold is going to be small, you understand? So now if it is small, it means the kinky that you're adding might break the hair, because I don't think some people, you find some people like in the night they will need to hold the hair, or others need to style, so you find like your hair is breaking when even you don't know, mostly in front, you understand? But here when you do it this way, you can see now the hair, the volume of the hair is really very it is firm, and it can hold the hair for all that long time. So now mostly like when they're plating front, it's always good to hold that, because now whenever you're twisting, there's the weight keeps on twisting even in front, like on from the base. So if you don't hold there, it is also not fine, mostly like on these soft hair, and yeah, it is not good at all. So when you're done like this, I already see like at least the hair in front, it was broken. Yes, you had seen it, but now since we have used this method and we have tried to space the braids, so then I just know that the time she's going to unplait it, at least even this other hair, it would have come back again. I know there's some people who have even this method of adding on a thread and then they try to hold all the hair. Trust me, yes, you can do that with these other extensions maybe, but don't try it with kinky. That is not right at all, because for the kinky, for it holds the hair, it holds the hair firm. Now if it finds you like you also whenever you're plating you over tightens, it means that it's now going to over hold it and makes it break, so and leads you to breaking. So I really call upon to all the hairstylists like who have been using kinky, like mostly to like those ones especially who overpack in front, that please try to reduce it, because kinky is not that way. Now if you try to overpack in front, yes, it is fine, but don't overpack when you have used like this size. Yes, overpack when there maybe the small extensions, yes, at least that one is fine, knowing that at least the hair you're holding, it will be it can hold that extension for all that time. So that is what we got for you. Then another thing here, I was like, I couldn't just leave it that plain, then I'm just trying to apply the palm rods, and then we put the hot water, because she can do that the curls, so that she can look fancy. Yes, guys, just know if you're still new here, you're in the right place, because trust me, I always upload a video every week. Yes, yeah, just because these other 3 weeks I've been sick, and now I'm trying to recover. That's why you can even you can hear how I'm talking, like I still have the flu. But yes, we had to I had to come here because I promise at least every week we have to upload a video. So now this is what I got for you, and now we are waiting for the good results. And one thing that you should know in life, that those my fellow hairstylists, the most thing that we should always yearn for is the finishing. We might do everything while plating. We do this, you add on this, you remove this, but just have to watch out for the finishing, because that is the best thing ever. A client will be like, wow, yes, I got it, thank you so much. But if you don't know how to be with the good finishing, that is going to be very bad for you. So for now, let's just see the finishing. For me, I'm gonna sign out. Bye bye, see you, my lovely people.